This is Paul. Yeah. Squim Police Department. Yeah. Uh, I was at the library. Yeah. I was on the bus. Ooch. Jefferson County. Yes. I was in Port Angeles. Yeah. I didn't email any people at Heidi Budnick's workplace on June 16th. No. I did email the Civil Rights Coordinator on June 19th. Yes. Proving I wasn't there on June 16th. Right. Now, the law includes provisions for the protection of children from parental abuse or neglect. Yeah. My wife's abuse of me and my sons. Yeah. The neglecting of them for being in the wrong grades. Right now. And from continued exposure to domestic violence. Yeah. You would have thought one arrest would have been sufficient. Right. But it wasn't. Yeah. Now, abusive use of parental conflict. Yeah, I mentioned that. Yeah. My wife's upset at her 50th birthday. Yeah. Now, and from other types of conduct which the court finds to be adverse to the child's best interest. Yeah. Now, just so we know, the Child Custody Jurisdiction Enforcement Act. Yeah. Now, published bulletin provides current information. Yes, the UCCJEA. Yeah. Now, state courts. Yeah. To enforce valid child custody and visitation determinations. Yeah. Made by sister state courts. Establishes innovative interstate enforcement procedures. Yeah. The sister state courts. I didn't get a copy of the dissolution of marriage. The false arrest and false imprisonment. Yeah. Domestic violence. Ouch. My sons. Yeah. They're in the wrong grades. Yeah. I told this state and probably every state a year and a half ago. Yeah. You decided that you were going to conceal your crimes because of some very good reasons on your part. Yeah. You're absolutely sure that you have the legal right to do what you're doing. Yeah. And I was stupid in thinking. Yeah. That the pen. Right. Now is not mightier than the sword, or is it? Now, public records request. Yeah. The penalty of perjury. The penalties of law for refusing to enforce the laws. Exactly how much money have you been obstructed from having to have to pay? Yeah. Because of. Yeah, I'm going to need $100 billion, Sheriff. Now, let's run through the IP addresses again of every drive because they're public knowledge. Yes. I have a Facebook profile, and I could ask each of the jurors to open a Facebook profile. Yeah. I would just say, well, I think you should see it the way that it is. I think you should have an email account and a Facebook profile. Yeah. And then I could just show them how to do it. Yes. And they could see for themselves on their own Facebook profile the posts that I've been making.